Hello everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to tear down or disassemble the Oneplus 9 for repairs. The same device got damaged from our water test, and let's see the tear down and cleaning will help to restore the phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the tear down, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to hit gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover, and as visible, there is water all around the phone. Next, take out the mainboard frame by undoing screws. Undo 9 screws and lift the protector cover using a pry tool. Just a quick note, there is a hidden screw under the plate near the camera module. Just make sure to take it out. Next, take out the shield and disconnect the flasher plug. Next, lift and take out the wireless coil with the mainboard frame using a pry tool. Next, from the right hand side, disconnect the battery plug. In Oneplus 9, there are 3 rear cameras, and the wide camera and depth camera comes as a 2-in-1 unit. However, the depth camera can be taken out by applying little pressure on the top. Next, disconnect and take out the wide camera and the front camera on the board. Next, loosen 2 more screws that are secured in the logic board. Next, on the left hand side, take out the shield protecting the LCD connector plug. Next, unplug the top end on the charge port flex, main flex, and followed by the LCD flex cable. And next, undo 3 antennas on the board and make sure to loosen the adhesive under the earpiece. Next, move aside antennas and gently take out the logic board. And as you can see, the water has soaked into the logic board. Next, move to the bottom section and undo 7 screws to take out the PCB cover. Next, take out the shield on the main flex cable and disconnect the bottom end on the main ribbon before pulling it out. Next, disconnect the Touch ID flex connector and 2 antennas on the bottom PCB. And next, undo one more screw and pull out the bottom PCB, which includes the SIM card tray. Next, gently pull out the charge port flex cable and the speaker module from the body. Next, apply a little heat and take out the Taptic engine and Touch ID camera flex. Next, move back to the top and apply a little heat to take out the speaker and sensor flex cable. Be gentle and slowly pull out the parts. Next, for taking out the battery, first loosen the adhesive on the sides and then pull them by the red tab on both sides. Finally, disconnect the tail end of the LCD connector plug. First, move the battery protective tape to the right hand side and peel the LCD flex cable. Be careful, there is a sticky strip on the edge of the bottom PCB. Move aside and pull out the cable by applying a little heat. Hope you have enjoyed the teardown guide for repairs on Oneplus 9. Stay tuned for the reassembly process to see if the phone will work or not after cleaning. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.